Back to my channel. So for this video I have two Patron bottles that I was going to try to mimic the labels the easiest way possible, and by doing that I saw a DIY with making your own labels using scotch tape, regular packing tape, and a printer. It did not say any specific printer, but this is the printer that I use. It's just a Canon series or something like that. So basically what you want to do is you want to print out your labels that I have here. I just printed out some Patron labels that I got online and customized them. And if you want to know how to customize a label, you can check out my other DIY video of doing a custom Hennessy label. And you just take the packing tape and you cover the design completely with the packing tape. Make sure that it is smooth onto the design all the way, and then you're going to submerge it into water, and that's what I'm about to do right here. So I'm putting the packing tape onto my design, making sure that the ink is completely covered with the tape. And this is what the directions were for the DIY. Mind you, I've never done this before, so I'm just trying to see if it will work, and you'll see in the end how bad I failed, but I was determined to get this label right. So I'm trimming it, and I'm just going to trim. Look how good it looks. So if you guys want to, you can even leave it like that if you wanted to and just trim it and then glue it onto the bottle, but I wanted to make it as close as I could to the Patron label, so I was going to keep on following the directions to do the label as instructed. So I'm cutting the label, trimming it, and then I'm going to submerge it into water. Now let me tell you, as soon as I submerged it into the water, the ink started dripping. Like, you can see it underneath the tape just melting. And I was discouraged, but I did not give up. I kept on trying. I thought that I was doing something wrong, but I ended up finding out that it was just my printer. They say that it works better with a laser printer, and I have an inkjet printer, so I think that's the issue. So yeah, you're gonna see me trying and trying and trying. I keep on restarting and restarting and restarting. So yeah, what I ended up doing was, like, you see, you can almost see the label a little bit, like some of the ink stayed onto the tape, but it wasn't gonna work. So I ended up drawing over this label here, and with a ink marker, a permanent marker, and then I put the tape over it. So if that's something you want to do, you can try it, but it's not as neat as it would be if it was like from the actual printer. I traced over it with the ink mark. I keep saying ink marker. I traced over it with a marker, and then smoothed out the tape, and then submerged it into water, and that was the best that I could do. I don't like the way it turned out, but it's just to show you an idea. I just wanted to see if this DIY label maker hack would work, and it probably would work if I had the right printer. So I probably will try again with a different printer, and I'll let you guys know how that turned out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up or a like or whatever it's called, and subscribe and join the family for more videos like this.